I believe po that the question is inappropriate for the event. And also, hindi ko po alam kung ano maramdaman ko because
sagot ka na rin direct kasi mas alam mo daw ito eh. O, may nagkalat kasi na parang gusto raw ng kapo ni Bianca na same meeting with Mamagay. Pero yun nga, kanina nilinaw sa akin ng manager mo, that's not true, no? Although, totoong nagkaroon ng issue about the billing, yung laki. Pero hindi naman daw totoong pinapapantay kay Mamagay. Is this true? Si Direk muna pasagutin ko, Direk.
May I please speak first na po? I am shocked by the question po, no? But I would like to handle it as professional as possible.
Yes.
I believe po that the question is inappropriate for the event. And also, hindi ko po alam kung ano maramdaman ko because that is, I do not have any idea about that, and I'm worried about how people in this room might take it, hearing it from a representative from the press.
Yeah, oo, pero what I'm after is maging malinaw. Kasi kanina, din ni Tracy, kasi nung Monday, may kumakalat ng ganyan issue. So, sabi nga, tanongin daw si Direk. Tapos kanina, tinanong ko si Tracy, sabi ni Tracy mismo, that's not true, hindi namin pinapapantay. Yes, we requested na medyo lakihan, oo, na yun nga, so medyo nilakihan na.
Okay, apologies. Pasensya na po. No, I would just like to clarify also that the opportunity to work with the superstar, with our national artist, is already a blessing. And it is an opportunity that I already knew na hindi ko po palalagpasin. Being with her on set was a masterclass for me and was a dream I never thought I would achieve this early in my career. Kaya po, yung makasama si Miss Nora, that's already enough. Ako po bilang isang aktor, and the love that I have for my craft, and the respect that I have for myself and the industry, billing is not really, it's a bonus. It is something, I don't know, between internally, but ito pong question is something that I am not aware about. And bonus na lang po yun eh. It is a recognition as to how people see and respect the way I do my work. Pero dito po sa pelikulang ito na Mananambal, napakatagal na panahon ko po hinintay ito na maipalabas dahil pinaghirapan po namin lahat ito. At marami pong pinagdaanan ng pelikulang ito. At yung maipalabas po ito at makita, lalo po na ito po ang pagbabalik pelikula ni Miss Nora Honor is all that matters. Maraming salamat.
Yeah, very well said.
I think po, I think it would be unfair. So I think yung idea po of billing with anyone, I think for that matter ng artista po, siguro alam naman po nila, like sinabi ni Bianca, na si Ate Guy deserves all the rightful billing that she deserves, given that she is an icon in the industry. So wala naman po siguro magko-contest na ang kanyang billing ay yung billing na nararapat para sa kanya at sa mga iba pa pong artista na may history as a performer. So, hindi ko po alam kung saan po nanggaling yan. Pero kami po, like si Miss Karen, yung producer namin, when we design the poster, alam naman po namin kung saan ilalagay at kung para kanino nararapat po yung tamang billing. Kasi ako rin po bilang director, ayoko po nung syempre may naapi or merong hindi tama dun sa billing. So, kung ano po yung nakikita niyo po ngayon, I think yan po yung tama at
Yes, yeah. Thank you, Direk.